Hey y'all! Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. I'm Patrice. Please look at the other content on the channel, and if you like that content, please be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel. For my returning subscribers, welcome back y'all. So today I am going to sublimate onto these gift bags that I got the other day from Five Below. If you want to see my other finds that I picked up at Five Below the other day, please be sure to go onto my other channel, Teach Craft Live, and there you will see everything that I picked up at the Five Below. But today we will be working with these bags, and they are glitter bags. Not sure if you guys can see because of the light, but they are glitter, and there are 8 glitter gift bags in this one pack for $5. Okay, so we're just going to sublimate on one of the bags and see how that goes. All right, so let's get started. Okay, guys, so here's the bag. If you want, you can manipulate the bag and take the straps off. I'm just going to press it with the straps on, and hopefully it will be able to, the heat press will provide enough pressure to flatten it out. But that heat will probably loosen the adhesive underneath the 2 straps. All right, so first, of course, we need to make sure we know what size this bag is. It's probably on the wrapper, but I didn't even look at the wrapper. So you're just going to measure the width and the length, and this is measuring at 8 across and about 10 down. So I'll do an 8 by 10, and we will print out a random image. I'll get something off of maybe Google or something that I already have and just print an 8 by 10 image. All right. For everyone who saw the video where I made this shirt using the Siser Easy Subli, I just want you guys to see how the shirt looks. This is probably after about 25 to 30 washes. I wear this shirt often, especially on Fridays, and it looks good. I did not iron this shirt this morning. I probably never have to even iron this shirt, and that's the biggest difference with this, with the Easy Subli, and also the dark colored transfer paper. That paper, I haven't had much success. I've used several different brands of that paper, and it usually crumbles after a while. Okay, or it starts peeling away from the shirt, but there is no peeling, and the colors are just as they were when I first pressed the shirt. Okay, so I get a lot of questions about the Easy Subli, and I don't have any complaints about Easy Subli. All right, so just so that y'all know, I just wanted to show you guys that. All right, y'all, back to this gift bag. Alright guys, so this is the image that I chose, and I just googled an image off of Google, and it's about to be Valentine's Day, so why not have a Valentine's Day bag that I could actually use and put a gift inside. So I printed this on my Epson EcoTank 2750 along with dynamic ink, and I am using today for the very first time. A friend of mine purchased some crafting Besties paper, and she got me a pack of it, and I am going to try the crafting Besties paper today. So I'm just going to trim. I could use my trimmer, which would be a lot easier, but yeah. So I am just going to do a light little brush. I'm not going to put the the lint roller, definitely not with the glitter. And I will place this, on top of the paper. Typically, in other bags that I've done, I've taken the strap off, but I just got off work and I'm tired, so I'm gonna look for the easy way and pray for the best. And you guys will witness if it works or if it doesn't work. Let me make sure it's the correct way. It is, and it is taking up the entire bag. Okay, so that glitter is just on one side of the bag. It is not on both sides. Okay. So I'm going to tape this here. I don't want to put too much tape on this bag because I don't want it to rip the other side. I'll put one down there and one up here. And that's going to be enough for me. Alright guys, so we're going to get ready to put this under the heat press. And make sure you have your butcher paper for the top and the bottom. Alright y'all, so we have this under the press, and I'm going to hurry up and put the butcher paper on top and just make sure that it presses down nicely onto the paper or onto the bag. And I am pressing this for 60 seconds at 400 degrees. All right. It's all done, and let's see what it has come out looking like. Okay. And okay, let me get that heat paper off as quick as possible because it's hot. And this is what we have, guys. Looks like the pressure in the center, that I knew I was kind of worried about that, but not bad. Not bad. Alright y'all, so we are all done sublimating the gift bag from Five Below, and this is what it looks like. Not bad. All the parts where the glitter is, of course, sublimated very well. It's sparkly. It's just a very thin layer or outline around the glitter is the paper. So that part, it's not sublimated all that well, but it looks good. And I think with the straps, if you want to go through the process of heating the bag a little and removing the straps prior to pressing it, I think the pressure will be a little bit better, and the bag will sublimate a little more evenly without the straps. But I'm happy with it. I can use it. I want you all also to remember, when you heat the bag, there is a part of the bag that's assembled using an adhesive, and so of course the heat will loosen that adhesive, and it may come apart. So you can either wait until the bag is fully cooled again to stretch it out, or once you do it, you can just use a little bit of maybe glue or the two-sided tape just to stick it back on together. But I waited for this bag to cool off so it did not come apart. Okay, also the straps are still intact even after being pressed. Okay, so that's pretty good. But this is the bag that I used. My first time using crafting Besties paper was pretty good. The paper is a little bit thinner than the 125G that I use for a sub, but it still got the job done, and the colors look look pretty good. The only part here, it's really just the pressure from leaving those straps in. All right, so that's it, y'all. Again, this is the bag that I got from Five Below. If you want to see the other items that I picked up while at Five Below, please be sure to go over to Teach Craft Live and you will see the other items. I'm sure that sometime in the very near future, I will be showing you all the rest of the items that I purchased and sublimate on. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like the video and also subscribe to our channel. And we have our Facebook group. It's up and running. If you have any questions in regards to any type of crafting, or if you want to get more information about anything, please join us on Facebook. Our group is Craftable Things, and someone will be able to answer that question for you. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank y'all so much for watching. Until next time.